Vibe review, legit or scam, my honest experience. Hey everyone, it's Shamika Culver here. I've just started using CloutVibe, and I have to say it's an amazing platform. I've already made $78 by completing fun tasks and referring friends. If you're looking to make some extra cash online, you should definitely check it out. Here's what I love about CloutVibe: easy and fun tasks to complete. Earning money by downloading apps, completing surveys, and sharing on social media. Refer your friends and earn even more. Join me on CloutVibe and start earning today. Use my invite link to sign up and get a $40 bonus. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on my earning journey. Thanks for watching and happy earning.